Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Education Edition features in Minecraft Bedrock. First, open your world settings, either for a new creation or an existing one. Scroll down until you find the Education Edition toggle. Make sure to switch this option to the on position. This simple step unlocks a whole new set of tools and elements, transforming your regular Minecraft experience into an engaging learning environment. It's a quick process, taking only a few seconds to complete. Once activated, you gain access to powerful educational tools. The chemistry lab table is central, allowing you to combine elements and create new substances. You can also use the element constructor to generate all 118 known elements from the periodic table. Furthermore, the compound creator lets you form more than 30 distinct chemical compounds, opening up a world of scientific exploration right within your game. These tools enable practical learning. You can conduct virtual experiments, observing how different elements react and form new compounds. Use the material reducer to break down blocks into their constituent elements, understanding their composition. This allows for hands-on exploration of concepts like atomic structure, states of matter, and even environmental science, making abstract ideas tangible and fun to learn through building and discovery. The integration of Education Edition features offers significant benefits. It fosters creativity and sharpens problem-solving skills as players tackle scientific challenges. Students can enhance their understanding of science, technology, engineering, and math concepts in a highly interactive way. Moreover, it provides an engaging and safe environment for collaborative learning, allowing up to 8 players to work together on projects and share discoveries, making education truly immersive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.